What up, y'all? 87 man, sis boy, back with another video, man. We about to finally get something done that should have been done. Y'all see it. Y'all see I got my shirt on. You know what time it is. And if you don't, you should know. Y'all see what's back there. Yes, sir. We about to get it cracking on that thing, man. Hopefully everybody having a good day, man. I appreciate everybody tapping in with me on every video. I appreciate y'all comments, your shares, your likes, everything, man. Keep on doing that. Don't stop now. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so be notified when I'm dropping these videos, man. We about to get on this suspension, man. Shout out to Aldan American. Y'all go hit up their website. Put in my code 87SSBoy -10 to get 10% off your suspension purchase. Hey, y'all know they got what you need. Y'all know they got what you need. G body, A body, B body, square body, anything you got, man. Holla at Aldan American, man. Holla at them. Let go. Good morning, good morning. Hey, man, y'all see it's a beautiful, beautiful day. Beautiful day. And what we got here? We getting started finally on this Aldan American install here. Like I said before, I'm gonna just go over stuff briefly. The lower control arms are Performance Online. Upper control arms are SPC Performance. And then you got the coilovers, Aldan American, 650 pound. And then this is my my drop spindle, 3-inch drop spindle. Shout out to Aldan American once again, man, my sponsor. They provided these parts for me. I'm gonna do an install video. I know y'all been seeing me, you know, kind of slowly getting to this point, but we here now. So we're gonna go ahead and start installing this stuff. I already got my circle cut out here. As y'all know, before it was a hump there for the original coil. You had to cut out. I think they said it's like a 4-inch circle here. We got it cut out. Got the cross member painted up. Got the frame painted up. All that good stuff. Make it look good with all these new parts. This is the coilover bracket. That'll be the first thing that we'll be installing. And like I said, we're doing this passenger side. I'm not going to do the whole install on this video. We're just gonna start off with the passenger side. I got my hardware and everything laid out. I got my bolts here already. So this just gonna go right up in here like this, which I'm probably gonna mess it up because I'm using one hand. Should have took the bolts out first. I was just trying to match up my bolts and everything. So and just go up here just like this. And I mean it line right up. Line right up. Throw your bolts in. Don't forget the washers now. Alright. Oh, that's the wrong one. That bolt too big. Alright, so bottom bolts in, and then we got 4 that's gonna go up top. So you got 1, 2, 3, and 4 here. They're gonna take I think it's a bigger bolt that these use. We're gonna see though. Like I said, I got all my hardware right there. So we're gonna get all that stuff done and bolted up. Yes, sir. It's on and popping now, man. Shout out to Aldan American. We about to have this thing sitting, looking, and riding good. Y'all know how I like to ride, man. Hey, stance is everything. Or as the older folk will say, that profile is everything. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So we got these bottom ones mounted, torqued down. Now I just got to do these 4 here. So once we do these 4, then we can go ahead and install the coilover. The upper, we'll do the upper first. Of course, it's gonna sit up in there just like that right there. Ooh, it's looking pretty already, y'all. Man. But yeah, a little bit more work. Like I said, gotta tighten these bolts down. I already got the bottom ones tightened down, and we gonna go from there, just like that. Man, I'm sorry, y'all. Woo! I done got ahead of myself, man. I supposed to have been recording this or talking about, you know, each step, but I didn't. Got ahead of myself a little bit. So I got the upper control arm installed. Well, halfway installed. I got it on. I just got to bolt it down. Got my spacers in here. Oh, I ain't even got the camera on, y'all. Spacers in here. Got it mounted up there. All these bolts are torqued down. So the next thing will be adding the coilover. So we're gonna put the coilover in the top. We're gonna mount it, and then after that, we'll get the lowers in. Now with the lowers, so with these lower control arms, the hardware doesn't come with them. Just so you know, but I'll put the part number for the new hardware in the description as well. And when I say hardware, I'm talking about these I'm talking about these U-bolts here. These U-bolts, and I mean, I'm pretty sure they can be restored or whatever, but I just don't want to put new, you know, new parts on here with old hardware. Y'all see how that look? I don't like that. So I got them on order. They were supposed to be here yesterday. They didn't come, so I don't know when they coming. So for now, I'm gonna just mount these up there, and just, you know, just put the bolts on there, but not tighten them down, just so I can have it in place. But yeah, so far, man, we looking good. That's looking good, man. A lot better than that old stuff. And like I said, I done did plenty of videos on this, you know, comparison on the old and the new and all that. So if you want to see the difference, go back and look at the videos, or you can just look right there. That's what came off of there, and this what's going on, just like that, man. So we're gonna go ahead and mount this, the upper part of the coilover. And like I said, I'm not torquing everything down to spec right now. I don't like to do that until I'm like done, just in case I need to make any adjustments or whatever. So everything will just be, you know, just mocked up pretty much, and then we'll come back and we'll actually torque everything down. But y'all stay tuned, man. We working over here now. Ain't no playtime, man. It's go time. Yes, sir. Time for these big boy coilovers to go in. Gonna get this up here, right in there like that. Slide my bolt in, and just like that, it's installed. Just like that. Look, I done lost my washer already. There you go. Put that washer on there, and we're gonna put that bolt on. Not tightening anything down yet, but y'all see it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's coming together. It's coming together. Yep, so let me go ahead and get my bolts up here on this upper control arm before I mess around and forget. Go ahead and get this up here. Like I said, I'm not tightening anything all the way down yet. Gotta mop this thing up first. Good gracious. Man, look at that, man. Whoo. Come on with it. Come on with it. Whoo. Man. She coming together, y'all. She is coming together. Yes, sir. Tell me what y'all think, man. Aldan American out here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Aldan American SPC Performance Online. Let's go. If y'all can't tell, I'm excited. I'm excited. I really want to go on and do that other side today too, but I can't do it. Like I said, I gotta get that frame done, man. I know I keep talking about it. I'm gonna just keep on talking about it till it get done. But we're getting this passenger side done though. Just like that. Yes, sir. So let me go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and do these the lower control arms. Let me get y'all in a good position there. And I think I got the wrong one. I got the wrong side. I gotta go grab the other side. Because if you notice, if you look at this control arm, this piece right here is supposed to be in the front because that's where your sway bar mounts to. So I got the wrong side. I need to go grab the other side. I got the driver's side out. Let me grab the passenger side and I'll be right back. And just like that, we back. We back. All right. So got the lower control arms up there. I got the drop spindle up there. All I have to do is just drop it right there on the ball joint. That's all. As you can see, there's no U-bolts attached yet. So I'm waiting on my U-bolts to come in. I got the old ones, but I don't want to put them up there. So I'll just wait until they come in, which hopefully they'll be tomorrow. And we'll put these U-bolts up here, mount those in. Yeah, so it's what we're looking like, man. What we can do, I can take this upper, and drop it in there and give y'all the full effect. So that's pretty much what she gonna be looking like right there, y'all. From the top to the bottom. What that say? What that say right there? Aldan American, man. Y'all better get at them. I'm trying to tell y'all. Y'all better get at them. So we almost done with this install. Like I said, I'm waiting on the mailman to bring them U-joints, the U-bolts for that. What I can do, what else can I do know I need to put this nut on this upper control arm. I do know that. But I also feel like I need to raise these coilovers first. So I need to raise these up, I feel like, because like I said, I got a 3-inch drop spindle. So that's already, it's gonna be dropped 3 inches. So with these, they come shipped, installed, and they're all the way to the bottom. They bottom out, I would say. So I think I should raise these before I lower the car to the ground and put the wheels on or whatever. I don't know. I might be right, I might be wrong, but either way we gonna get there. Y'all see what it's looking like though. Looking good, man. And I only been out here, what, maybe an hour? I might have been out here an hour. So yeah. What y'all think, man? Gotta put this bolt back on there. I know a bolt missing. It's cool. I gotta put that back. I was checking something out on the other side, but here we are, man. Everything looking A1. Everything looking A1. Like I said, I gotta put my castle nut up here. And then I still gotta go back and, like, you know, tighten everything down. Tighten everything down. And this is that front piece right here, what I was telling you, that's what the tie rod ends is gonna go to. But yeah, I mean, now we installed the rotors. I gotta pack the bearings, inner and outer bearings, put the rotors on there and all that stuff, but that's gonna be for another day. For right now, this was what we was trying to get done, was get these bad boys right here up in there. And if I must say so myself, it's looking god dang good. Yes, sir. Shout out to Aldan American, man. Hey, like I said, y'all better get at them. If you got an A body, G body, B body, you got an old school, new school, square body, whatever the case may be, man, get at them for all your suspension needs, man. They gonna hook you up. They gonna get you right. You're gonna give them my code 87SSBOY -10, and they gonna hook you up with 10% off. Hey, you can't ask for more, man. Let go.
Shout out my haters, I know that you're watching, plotting and wishing, praying that I fall. Shout out my haters, I know that you're watching.